Yes, I always watch K-pop concerts. Light stick? Gusto niyo na light stick? Kasi I'm in par in my mind na parang should we or should we not? Andito si Michael Pangilinan. What? Totoo ba? What's up, Michael Pangilinan? Totoo ba? Gina-joke niyo ako, no? What's up, Kuya Michael? Totoo ba? Hello, Kuya, kung totoo man. Hello. Michael V. Uy, mas idol ko yun. Don't worry, guys. The lights are in place. So don't worry. Dun, 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 dun. Ayan si Kuya Michael Totoo ba si Kuya Michael ko talaga? Oh, what's up, Kuya Michael Pangilinan? Oh my gosh. I hope we can get to meet soon in person. Komenta ng Michael Pangilinan. Patugtugin na natin si Kuya Michael. Michael Pangilinan. Michael V. lumalabas sa YouTube ko. Anong gusto niyong song ni Kuya Michael? Oh, eto na lang, Rainbow. Since I'm going to release a Rainbow concept album, hanggang natin yung Rainbow ni Kuya. Wow! Wait lang. Ang nostalgic ng Bakit Ba Ikaw, may nakita akong comment. Laki ko kinakanta yun dati. Bakit ba ikaw na iisip ko at hindi na mawala-wala pa? Kahit na alam ko na ang puso mo may mahal na iba. Falling out, falling through, not unsure in this world. No, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can read and never tell. Sorry, ang gulo ng buhok ko, kagising ko lang. No. Say goodbye, say hello to my lover.
Oh my gosh.
Sometimes we never could understand why some things we can blame. Just then, we never tell it all. No, but oh, can't you see that no matter what happens?
Masyado ba maliwanag? Try natin mag-lamp. Or I don't know. Dito tayo. Hindi pa. Cause I'm always around. Niliwanagan din ako. Okay ba ito? Yung kanina. Mas okay ako doon. Although gusto ko itong madilim. Say hi, Koizumi.
Feeling high, feeling low. When I lose you should go. Yeah, yeah. Getting warm, getting cold. But I could be so good. Oh, bad. But baby, this is
Tulog muna kayo ni Kuya mo, Cloud. We love each other. Tignan niyo yung scratcher ni Cloud. Kasi artsy. Actually, dapat, kasi Cloud, diba? Tas Claude Monet. Pero, Mona Lisa mo. Yun yung scratcher niya. Gusto niya pakita ko yung mga ano, Nendoroid. Ito si Yatora Yaguchi from Blue Period. And just say for me and you. Meron akong treasure din na album dito. Wait. Tara. Bigay lang ata sa akin to. This is the outer sleeve. It's the CD. Nakuha kong photo card. Si J-Yuk. J-Yuk. Just wrong. What if magkaroon ako sarili kong physical album? So beautiful. Physical album. Sabi ni Asahi, Rainbow. Ah! Yan, Color Coaster Asahi. Wish Exclusive 1075. Kinalmot ni Claude tong... I also have this one. This is my favorite Square Enix merch. Kingdom Hearts. Sora. Tapos pag binuksan niyo yung loob, ito yung ano.
Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here to subscribe. Big Hero 6! Na si Baymax. Ito yung mga mga boss na Heartless. Yan. Mga Heartless, yun yung mga boss rounds. Basic lang. Din sa Maleficent din, tsaka si Pete. Pete the Cat. Ano ba favorite kong Heartless? Napakita ko sa inyo yung mga Keyblades. Kung saan siya inspired. So this one's from Rapunzel's Tower. This one's from Hercules. This one I forgot. Pero favorite ko din to eh. This one's from Toy Story, I think. Yeah, Toy Story. Ay, hindi. Big Hero 6. See? This one's from Frozen. Elsa. This one's from Monsters, Inc. Naiinis ako sa lipstick na gumagano. Ito, Monsters Inc. Tapos, this one's from Toy Story. And this one's from the Pirates of the Caribbean. So, bari lahat ng world na yun nakakuha siya ng Keyblade na version. To open doors. Yeah, so this is Kingdom Hearts. Ano pa ba? Itong sketchbook ko, pero nakikita niyo na to lagi. Kasi sira-sira na siya eh. Oh my gosh. Frame by frame na for my film class. Tapos gumawa kami ng, sa akin, gumawa ko ng animation. Animation na film. Short film lang siya, pero in animation. Tapos ang cute-cute. Puro piano lang din siya. Pagpasensyaan nyo na yung screen, ano ko, sa iPad kasi paper-like siya, so baka hindi nyo makita. But, I'm pretty sure. Ayoko siya. Ayoko yung sound. Teka lang, tatanggalin ko. Tanggalin ko yung sound and yung notification. Baka makita nyo yung mga pinag-uusapan namin. Ayan. Naka ano na, naka DND na. Ba't nagna-notify pa din? Yung roller coaster GC pa yung talagang lumabas. Pagalitan na. Teka lang. Hoy, oy kayo, ganito talaga Boko. Pwede pang tanggapin nyo na lang ako. Ayan. So, here's the room. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, merong painting of the Starry Night. Tapos, merong fireflies here. And it's a horror film actually. Horror film siya. I can't move. Ano siya? About siya sa sleep paralysis and how we become stagnant sa life when we don't move on from the memories na ayaw nating kalimutan, napakawalan. Turn off ko nga muna yung ayan. Para siyang may makikitang mumu. May nakasilip. Tapos, boom. Tapos biglang may nakapatong na sa kanya. Tapos yung title, Half-Light. Tapos, wait, 2021 pa ata to eh. It was all a dream. Tapos, ayan, may nakita siyang box sa room niya. Tapos biglang may stairs pa baba. Tapos bumaba siya dun. Hawak yung plushie niya. Plushie, tapos yung fireflies. Ayan na may plushie. Tapos door, tas yellow yung loob. So cute. May nakalagay dito. It looks exactly how it was when I was younger. So nung bumaba siya sa dun sa stairs, parang yung doors doon are his core memories or memories niya from the past na ayaw niyang makalimutan, pero it's tainted na parang gold, tapos nagiging colorless kasi na-taint na siya ng bad memory. Ayan, ang sari-sari store. Tapos ayan, naging dark na sad siya kasi parang may bad memory yun. Tapos may surprise way. Parinig ko yung audio nito kasi ang cute.
11 years old.
Yak!
It was everything he had.
Okay na yun.
Everything.
Shh! Huwag ka na magsalita, kuya. Ayan. Nabuhay yung plushie. Yung color white siya. Tada! mag-hi. Hello!
Hi!
Nainis ako sa audio ng boses ko. Tapos ayaw niya na pumasok sa doors kasi parang magandang memory, tapos biglang matitaint lang na pangit. Sabi nung plushie, you'll be fine, let's go. Sasamahan daw siya nung plushie. Maybe just a little peek won't hurt. Tapos tumingin sila. Tapos pumasok silang dalawa. Yan, laro-laro sila. Tapos may food, favorite food. Tapos kumakanta siya. Cute. Tapos sinara na nila. Tapos, this film also was a tribute to my lola. So, nilagyan ko siya ng door dito, yung lola ko. Kasi she is already in heaven. Nasa kahel na lang na si nanay. So parang ginawan ko siya ng part dito because I just parang ayoko panoorin. Teka, i-skip ko na. Gito yung tsura ni nanay. As in kamukha niya yung animation. Basta yan, ayun na. Magkausap kami about life, about growing up, na you don't need to be scared parang pag nag-grow up ka and stuff like that. Ayun. And si nanay, this is her. She's so cute. It's my lola. It's parang ito na nakatulog si Maki. Ayan, it's magiging firefly. Ano nakalagay? See you on the yesterdays. It's parang naging firefly yung memory na yun. So parang yung fireflies, yung core memories, kinikip niya into a jar. Yun siya nakasmile. Tapos, next door, di ba ni-run through ko na kayo? Yung last door from the film is yung ano niya, yung room niya mismo. Wait, this is my room. So nakita niya yung sarili niya na natutulog. So may nakasilip dun sa may bed. What's that? Tapos nawala yung nakasilip. Pumunta siya doon. Tinignan niya yung bed. Tapos may firefly. Tapos biglang namatay yung firefly. Tapos natakot siya. Tapos nabasag yung jar. This is not uploaded actually. It's not. It's just for a project. Hoy, wag kayong gaya-gaya na ideas, akin to ah. Wow! Takbo! 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 Yan, nadapa pa. Tas yung door. Pasok sa door. Pang! Andun ka na naman sa room mo. Paulit-ulit lang. Paikot-ikot. Tas yung plushie, nawala na siya ng life. Tas nakita niya yung sarili niya. Tas nahulog siya sa isang tunnel kung saan siya nag-start. Yan, tapos bigla siya nag-float. Siyempre kasama niya yung plushie niya. Again, ano pa to back in 2021. 2021 pa to. Hindi pa ako si Maki. Tapos yung monster,